Is the Instagram collaboration option not showing on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you step-by-step processes to fix the Instagram collaboration option missing or not showing on Instagram account. Let's begin. Method 1. Switch your account from private to public. Open Instagram app, tap on Profile. Now tap on three lines over the top right corner. Tap on Setting and Privacy, scroll down, tap on Account Privacy and make sure to turn off the private account mode. Then check your issue. If it's still not showing, then follow the next step. Method 2. Turn on the professional account. Open Instagram, tap Profile, tap the hamburger icon, tap Settings and Privacy, scroll down, tap Account Type and Tools. Now tap on Switch to Professional Account and tap on Continue until showing what best describes your option. Now select Digital Creator. Tap One Done and again tap on Next. Tap on Not Now. Now close the page and again open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile and check if you get professional or not. After doing this, you will get the collaborator option as well. If you are still not getting the option, then contact Instagram support and describe your problem. Hopefully, they will solve your problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If it was, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.